In the race toward a climate-neutral Europe, the agri-food sector faces a massive challenge. Energy-intensive industries like frozen food and food waste processing are under immense pressure to reduce their carbon footprint while maintaining profitability. Navigating ESG standards and the EU Green Deal can be daunting for companies focused on production and delivery dates. Caught between legal hurdles and lack of integrated data, most companies lack the integrated tools to turn their operational data into actionable sustainability metrics. CLARUS allows energy-intensive food manufacturers to achieve measurable sustainability compliance without losing resources. During the project, CLARUS established an all-in-one AI-driven framework specifically designed for the large food manufacturers. CLARUS consists of 3 key parts that ensure manufacturers are compliant and their solutions sustainable. Our AI toolkit optimizes resource-intensive processes like cooling and logistics in real time. Our secure data space ensures trustworthy sharing across your supply chain. And our unique Green Deal Index provides a unified benchmark to guide your decision-making and ensure total compliance. These components are not just theory. Tested in real-world environments like Ardo and Honkajoki, CLARUS delivers more than just frameworks and buries the users in legislation, but delivers environmental improvements and significant cost savings without requiring deep technical expertise. Join the digital transformation. Move from manual reporting to proactive, AI-driven sustainability in the food manufacturing industry. Visit our website to learn more.